Realistic, comfortable, jolly. When you order a wig or beard from us, you're getting the benefit of decades of experience creating professional quality Santa beards, wigs, and mustaches. Your Santa beard or wig will be handmade from scratch in our Louisville, Kentucky studio just for you. From start to finish, you'll have complete control over the size, style, and look of your wig, beard, or mustache. Whether you choose a style from our Santa lookbook or supply your own inspirational images, your wig and beard will be uniquely yours. Our work doesn't stop when we deliver your beard. You'll always be able to reach out if you have questions or need advice on wearing or caring for your pieces, whether you've had them a few weeks or a few years. One more thing, our support services. Exclusively for our Santas, we offer Santa Care, an annual cleaning and restyling service. We also have an online library full of guides and tutorials to help you with every aspect of your Santa beard and wig. We've helped hundreds of Santas around the world put their best beard forward, and we want to work with you too. To get started, fill out the order form below. Let's get you ready for Christmas.